बंदर कप्तान खात्यान बरयल्ल्या पत्राची दखल घेवन जेटी धोरण रद्द करचें अशी मागणी टीएमसीच्या राजन डिमेलोन केली। 1990 वर्सा सावन सांता मोनिका जेटीचो वापर कांय मोजकेच वेवसायीक करतात। 20 कोटी रुपया मोडून बांदिल्ल्या जेटीचो लाव धाकट्यो बोटी घेतात, तर गोंय पर्यटन उदरगत महामंडळान 35 कोटी रुपया मोडूनय सांता मोनिका जेटीचेर धाकट्या बोटींक परवानगी कित्याक न्हय काडली असो प्रश्न टीएमसीच्या राजन डिमेलोन उपरासला।
The COP had charged that Santa Monica jetty, tourism jetty or GTTC jetty, was being exclusively used for certain business houses from 1990. This is very important. The COP questioned, after spending 35 crores for the jetty, why GTTC refused permission to other vessels? याचो अर्थ कितें? मोनोपोली तुमकां चलयात, म्हाजो टाउट पिरी आहा ते कितें आमकां दियात, आमी दुसऱ्यांक परमिशन दिवचें ना. This is the only meaning we can draw from it. If there is any other meaning, he should explain. The political thug should explain. आता jetty of the COP त्याकी बांधल्या पळय ती कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्टसाठी, it has 185 meters length. It has cost 20 crores. They opened up for smaller tourist vessels from 2015. This brought in a lot of revenue. You think of you understood. My entire captain of ports are after jetting. The COP charged, this is one very important paragraph, that the tourism department to take all the business away from COP and other jetties to draft policy, try to force all tourist cruises to operate from GTTC only and not from COP jetty. Now they are trying to monopolize.